This is the largest handmade carpet in the world, made completely from silk. And Ali and I accidentally discovered it on a tour through Cappadocia, Turkey. And the cost for this carpet right here, that was $500,000 just for air conditioning. What's crazy is this $6.5 million rug was not even the coolest thing we found in Cappadocia. We're back with my Brazilian in-laws for part 2 of our Turkish adventure. We just landed from Istanbul and we're ready to experience perhaps the most bizarre and beautiful place on the planet. So join us on this wild adventure and welcome
to Cappadocia!
It's currently 6 a.m. here in Cappadocia.
Prayer time.
And the reason that we're up so early before sunset is we're hoping to catch a sunset with a hot air balloon ride. So we're joined here with Ali's parents from Brazil, and we're going to be giving you our honest opinions about Cappadocia, Turkey. Is this worth visiting? Or is it like Bali and Paris, where it's nice, but it's overhyped? We're gonna give you our full itinerary, full opinion and adventure, and it's gonna be an exciting, packed 2 days. So I hope you're excited. I think our bus just arrived, so
Yay!
Let's go.
Taking off!
Take off!
And we got our certificates to prove that we did it. It was amazing, beautiful. We got a beautiful day because a couple of days were kind of cloudy.
Yeah, no, the past
Perfect
2 days
sunset.
they actually canceled. So keep that in mind when you come to Cappadocia.
Yes.
There is always a chance that your hot air balloon's gonna get canceled, even like in less than 24 hours. So
Yes.
we got really lucky, and wow, what a beautiful sunrise.
It was amazing. The total cost was $160 per person. And if you don't want to spend the money or you don't want to fly, you can also drive yourself to the hot air balloon takeoff point and just see all of the balloons around you. So it's amazing. 10 out of 10, but there's more to explore. Our next stop is here at this private carpet shop, and they're showing us how they make these handmade wool carpets and silk, and the whole process, and how long it takes. There's some 5 by 7 feet, takes about 6 months to finish. Super interesting to see this technique of their double knot as well, which is different from Persian.
Largest handmade silk carpet in the world.
Valued at over $6.5 million. Pure silk. And it took how long to create this?
From 2004 till 2009.
Wow.
It's 5 years.
About 5 years,
Five and a half. Five and a half years.
Yeah, 5.5 years, and it almost weighs 1 ton.
With 15 weavers.
Yeah, 15 weavers, all kind of along here, right, creating the entire masterpiece. And the combined value in this room is around 28 million. This was the first apartment in history, it's assumed. This is Uchasar Castle, originally built by a civilization that's a little bit unknown 5,000 years ago, as well as, all here in the surrounding area. This is the inside of an actual home here in Cappadocia, and people live like this all through the 1960s. And this home specifically is owned by a man, super nice, here in Uchasar. It's been in his family for generations. As you can see, he has different decoration. And for 25 lira, he'll let you walk around his home, which is basically like $1. And it is so cool and fun. It's been amazing. Definitely recommend. Now, on to the next one.
We are starting our tour of the underground city. There's actually more than 200 underground cities around Cappadocia, but we're here on the largest one. And they use these as shelter, not really as their homes. And there's 8 floors on this one, but we're going to be visiting 4 of them. Super cool.
This is actually a door that they would use for defense. So they would roll it over here to this single kind of narrow alleyway, and they have a spear in the middle. So anyone who came through in the darkness, they would spear through. It's time to ATV. All right, so we made our second stop here on the ATV ride. Mostly just been driving around, I don't know, random areas. Now what I learned already that our ATV people didn't tell us is this right here in front of us used to be a convent. This is 7 stories high inside of that little mound or mountain, but unfortunately you can only go up to 2 floors max because the rest are actually collapsed. All right, ending the ATV tour here with hundreds of other ATVs at a place called Sunset Point for obvious reasons. You can see the sun has just set behind the horizon over there. A little bit chaotic though, I will say. Horses and ATVs, going all around, but it's like a party, a lot of fun, a lot of energy with the ATV. Super beautiful, highly, highly recommend ATV. This has been an amazing day.
Today I could live an old dream.
Bucket list dream.
Yeah.
Gostou, Papito?
Muito, uma aventura muito agradável, na companhia de pessoas amadas, muito inédito para as nossas vidas. Estamos muito felizes. Adrenalina mil!
I'd say it was really good overall. The one negative was like it was a bit rushed.
Yes.
At the beginning and kind of through, and not a lot of time because we had a big group to like really go fast.
True.
But it was really good and like kind of fun to like I don't know if we were allowed, but we kind of weaved.
Went off of the line.
Yeah, out and back in and like yeah, but
And
it was fun. It was fun.
And special sunshine.
Yeah.
The sunset
Yeah, I will
was beautiful.
say that sunset spot, whether you can go by ATV or on your own, was the best. Definitely recommend. So yeah, it's been an amazing day.
Yeah.